Hello. Today, I'm going to talk about the things I do before I go to sleep. Yeah, these are the things I do before I go to sleep. One of the things I do before I go to sleep is I take a shower. I take a shower before I go to sleep. Ooh. I take a shower. La di da di da, la la la. I take a shower. This is water, right? Water. And this is me. This is me. La da 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 da. That is me taking a shower before I go to sleep, right? Okay. Another thing I do before I go to sleep is I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I use a toothbrush before I go to sleep. I use a toothbrush. To brush my teeth. So my teeth can be white. Yeah, so my teeth can be white. Not black. No. Not turquoise. No. Not blue. No. I brush my teeth so they can be white. See? All right. Another thing I do before I go to sleep is I will watch videos. I'll watch videos. I watch videos on my phone, on my cell phone. This is a cell phone, right? I watch videos on my cell phone before I go to sleep. You are watching a video right now. I watch videos on YouTube or on Facebook or on Instagram before I go to sleep. Another thing I do before I go to sleep is I put on my pajamas. Yeah, I put on my pajamas. And my pajamas are clothes that I wear. Clothes that I wear when I go to sleep. This is what I wear before and while I'm sleeping, right? The last thing I do before I go to sleep is I get into my bed. I get into my bed. This is my bed, right? Got a pillow and a blanket. And then there's me. I get into my bed before I go to sleep. I get into my bed before I go to sleep. These are some of the things I do before I go to sleep. What are some things you do before you go to sleep? Comment in the section below to let me know what you do before you go to sleep. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.